Hello, this is Weather Siren 1996, and it is December 14th, 2011, and check this out. It is actually raining. Raining and almost in the middle of December. What is up with Chicago's weather? I mean, look at it. No snow, just simply rain. This sucks. I mean, it's raining like cats and dogs out here. And the temperature is supposed to be 53 degrees, which is very high in December. Even though a couple years ago, we was in the 60s, I think like 65 or something degrees. And all the snow was melted, and it was raining a little. We had a tornado watch for some reason. That was a couple years ago. Hope it's not going to happen again. I don't know what to blame with all this weird weather, but I know some people's going to say global warming, probably say. Probably global warming. Correct me if I'm wrong, but don't give me some nasty comments about that. So, okay, this is a weather update from Weather Siren 1996. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and see you later.